Hi, do you encounter the issue that YouTube bot kept setting your videos to be made for kids and turning your comments off even after you have set your channel to be not made for kids? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. All you have to do is add a disclaimer in front of your video and in your description that this video is meant for age 13 and above. And that's it. So comment down below if this solution works for you, and remember to click on the like button and subscribe for more content, and we will see you in our next video very soon guys. Thanks, bye.